So hi everyone. DeepSeek R1 has been the model of the year, and everyone, not just the tech enthusiast, wish to use the model in their local system or on their servers. But unfortunately, DeepSeek R1 requires a lot of GPU, and just to run one model, you should not be buying out the expensive GPUs by Nvidia. So what is the alternative for that? You can go for cloud GPUs. So in this particular demonstration, I would be showing you how you can run DeepSeek R1 on cloud GPU that is specific to Glows.ai, one of the cloud GPUs provider. So before jumping onto the tutorial, I'll be letting you know what is a cloud GPU. It can be taken as a rented service where you are getting a rented GPU for the time being when you want to use it and you pay for that. So let's now jump onto Glows.ai, set it up and see how you can use DeepSeek R1 on cloud hosted GPUs. So here you can see that we are on the landing page of glows.ai. I'll be logging in with my credentials. As you can see now, this is the entire UI for glows.ai using which we would be now deploying DeepSeek R1. So as you can see, glows.ai is providing a number of options that includes NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, H100 as well, that is 80 GB instance. So these instances, as you can see, GPU RAM is present, available number of units, and here you can see the cost also, price per hour. So I think it is the cheapest rate that I found on the internet, 3.9 credits for Nvidia. Here you can see that I have got a few credits for, as you can see, I spent 1.1 credit for zero point 0.3 hours. You get the invoice as well, and the rates are quite cheap compared to other service providers. Not just that, setting up any model is quite easy, and I will be showing you how you can set up DeepSeek R1 in just a few steps. So first of all, you need to check on the GPU instance that you wish to use. I am using NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. Now here you can see that there are multiple images that you can use which already have the model deployed. So here you can see that DeepSeek R1 32-bit quantized 4, DeepSeek R1 70B quantized 4, and not just that, Ubuntu, Gemma 2, Gemma 2 by Llama 3.18b. Many models are present. As you can see here, Comfy UI Flux, Comfy UI Stable Diffusion LX, all the models are present. So now you just need to choose the model instance. I am using DeepSeek R1 32B. If you wish to use a bigger model, that is a 70B model, you might require multiple instances of G4 RTX. So once you selected the instance, you need to mention the quantity here. If you are going with 70B model, you need to make it as 2. But we are using just 32B model just for demonstration purposes, hence I am using just 1. As you can see here, instance ordered is 1. Now we'll be going for a complete checkout. The time of use is calculated starting from the confirmation of the order. So for whatever time you use it, the credits gets deducted for that. It won't be get deducted for the entire hour. So no worries about it, but just be careful of switching off your instance one done. So as you can see here, this is the instance that we have got now. Once you click here, you can see the hardware config also. Multiple things are present. Snapshotting released. Once you click here, you can see different details. So here the model can be ran using SSH port as well as HTTP port. So I'll be showing you a demonstration using HTTP port because this is an easier one. So here what we will do, we will just copy this particular link. As you can see here, we have copy pasted the link, as you can see on a different tab, and this is the UI that we are getting. Just click on get started. You need to enter your full name. Let me enter the name Data Science Pocket. Email ID is Data Science Pocket. Once you're done, create an admin account. Now here you can see that it has opened a UI for us, and DeepSeek R1 32B is now hosted. As you can see, it's quite sleek. Let's try to ask it a few questions. Tell me a fun fact. Send a message. Now your data is safe. It is now hosted on cloud GPU, and anytime you are not using the model, you can turn it off as well. So I'm just demonstrating you how DeepSeek R1 performs. The speed looks quite interesting. It's pretty good, and it is using 4090 GeForce RTX. Now once you're done with the chatting, just go here and mark it as release. Stop and release. So this will stop deducting your credits now. So we are done. As you can see here, if you go to again my instances, you can create another instance, released. Here you can see that these are the credit deducted for the time being 0.41. So this is not much, and I think Glows.ai is providing a decent enough resources with a limit with quite cheap rates. So I think you can try out Glows.ai for any sort of cloud GPU service. And this is how you can run DeepSeek R1 on cloud GPU. Thank you so much. I hope you like this tutorial and you try out Glows.ai for using DeepSeek R1. Thank you so much.